For this episode, we're going to cook something that's actually more health friendly because for the past few days, we've been consuming unhealthy food, probably like processed food. Although what you're seeing right now in front of me is also processed. But, well, we're going to give it a healthier twist. So, this is my own version of a vegetarian burger patty. So, what are the ingredients for our vegetarian burger patty? So, we're going to start first with our main ingredient, which is sayote or chayote. And then we're also going to add spring onions. We're also going to add two kinds of onions for a bit of difference with the flavor. And then we're going to use these black mushrooms that we see here. We're going to soak this later. And then we're also going to use some banana flowers. And for the main things that we're going to use to improve the flavor of our vegetarian patty. So we're going to use salt. We're also going to add a bit of this fried garlic and then some of these spices that you see here. So the third one is actually sage. And lastly, let's not forget the cheese that we'll be using. I will be also trying this dish for other patties by adding this, which is seaweed. So let's get started with cooking our vegetarian burger. So this will take a while for me to chop or to actually put into very small diced bits. But, well, we're going to, fast forward a little bit. But let's try to prepare this first. So I didn't actually use the entire sayote that I actually bought from the market. I'm just going to use probably half of it. Yeah. So we're going to use these. Actually, it's much better if you're going to use instead coriander, but since I didn't find it earlier in the market, or probably I'm missing that, so I'm going instead. Make sure that they're actually very small. So yeah, we'll fast forward again. We will also save some for what we're going to mix later. So this is what's actually remaining. We made sure that we actually soak first the black fungus so that it will be soft when we slice it later. So we wash these and then, we're going to add this also. But we are going to cook this a little bit. Set up some of these. Let's try this. Very soft now. Not going to do much softer. So this is what we're going to cook first before we add this to the mixture for the burger patty. So we have here black fungus, some bits of onions, and then the banana flowers, and then also spring onions. And then for this one, we're going to mix this later with the batter. So we're going to add egg and some breadcrumbs, or you can also use biscuits. For this one, I'm going to use feta, but you could also use probably the vegan friendly biscuits that's available in the market. Yeah, actually I started this vlog in English, but now I'm speaking Tagalog. Yeah, so yeah, I think putting 2 eggs is not enough, but we will see. If it doesn't actually form into a patty after I do that, then that means I need to add 1 more egg. Or it might also mean that I need to add another one of these. Yeah, but we will see. So far so good. They're sticking together. And let's hope that this actually turns out to be a good dish. Now, time to fry them. I think that's a fail because hindi nag-bind. So I need to add 1 more egg. Okay, so we add 1 more egg and this is how the patty looks like. I'm going to show you the other patty that only has 2 eggs. That only has 2 eggs looks like this, and we're going to taste it. Let's check muna yung niluluto natin. Let's see how it's doing. Actually, masarap siya. Naubos ko agad yung ulam. Let's see how the others turn out. After nito, we'll try to add yung other version, which actually has seaweed. For the remaining part, I actually added seaweed. So let's see how this tastes like. So that's the last 4 patties, but this one actually has seed. And let's try to add a little bit of cumin. Tara, let's see. Buka na. Ano? Masarap naman. Talaga to, oh. Ayaw pa sabihin masarap. Masarap naman.